Welcome. This presentation focuses on bespoke coastal homes and sustainable construction, brought to you by Croft Wotton Construction, specialists serving the Mornington Peninsula. Allow us to introduce Croft Wotton Construction. We are a firm built on a foundation of local expertise, a commitment to quality craftsmanship, and a forward-thinking approach to sustainable building practices. To provide a brief company overview, we have been an established Victorian registered builder on the Mornington Peninsula since 2005. Our process is comprehensive, guiding clients from initial conception to final handover to ensure perfect alignment with their vision. Our extensive portfolio includes over 60 projects spanning the residential, heritage, and public-funded sectors. We provide clients with full assurance through transparent pricing and a 10-year workmanship guarantee. Our core service offerings are diverse. We construct luxury new builds that integrate sustainability best practices. We have deep expertise in renovations and extensions, including verandas, additions, and full renovations, skillfully navigating local regulations. We are committed to sustainable home builds, applying passive house principles for superior efficiency and waste reduction. Our specialized construction services include using rammed earth for eco-friendly, durable, and thermally stable structures. For commercial projects, we are a registered builder with complete WHS documentation and a VECTA accreditation. Our distinctive strengths truly set us apart. This includes our passive house expertise, with a proven capability to deliver optimal comfort using minimal energy. Our award-winning craftsmanship has received recognition for sustainable homes, heritage restoration, and challenging rebuilding efforts. This is further demonstrated through our diverse project mix, where we specialize in luxury coastal homes, rammed earth construction, heritage residences, and eco-friendly designs. We invite you to connect with us to discuss your vision. We are pleased to arrange an informal no-obligation conversation for your dream build. You can reach us by phone at 03-8560-3870. For email inquiries, please write to info@croftwotton.com.au. Our office is located at P.O. Box 418, Mount Martha, Victoria, 3934. We also invite you to visit our online presence at croftwotton.com.au for more information.